Coach, should we start our show in Minnesota?
Sounds good to me.
All right, let's do it, because Anthony Edwards, we heard him a couple of days ago, Shanae. He said he's 23 years old. He wants to be scoring the basketball. That is what he did, but this is a tough one against the Clippers. He didn't have Kawhi in the second half. Can we give that man his flowers too? Norm Powell, winner starts the year.
Rebound, Randle hits the accelerator across the time, leaves it for Gobert for the flush, and Golden State needs a timeout. Effort has been much needed from Nas Reed. Three-ball money. Here's Edwards to the rim, going to the reverse.
Get a couple bad possessions in a row, just a couple turnovers, or just not good offense. We gotta recognize those situations and get into sets or plays that are working for us and work to our advantage. So just a little bit of better recognition so we can get in better rhythm.
Come on, baby. Let's go to play. I'll carry you. Come on.
Look at this. Oh my gosh. I still beat him. I still beat him.
Waivers, but all the adults need to sign.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
You guys see dogs? They're gonna pull us? Oh, let's go! Go, let's go! You ready there?
So should the adults do their own? Sorry. Yeah, yes. Yep, and then I can put the kids on.
Julius ended up getting like 2 to 3 days off in the middle of the season that wasn't all-star, which was the first time in his career. So we were able to take the kids to Wyoming for like 36 hours because it was kind of on our way home back to Minnesota, and it was really special. Just like a day to kind of just disconnect and be with us was special because that's like so rare during the season. Yeah. But we got to go dog sledding, which is something we've never done before, and the boys loved it and we both loved it. And it was just a special trip just to kind of have family time during a time where we normally wouldn't, because it's hard to make time for that during the season.
So 340.
Randle talked about in post-game interview about just kind of trust with players and with the bench doing so well, Andrew is saying, are you feeling that, like they're kind of trusting each other now as they're moving through the years?
Yeah, I think so. I think that's been growing. You know, obviously, I think the trust has always been there, but maybe some of the shot making hasn't gone alongside of it, and so guys are maybe overthinking some things out there. But right now, it feels like we have a better rhythm to what we're doing. You know, I thought Julius was really good tonight. You know, what I'm learning is like I can almost like use him now with coming off the bench. It's like break glass in case of emergency with him. I can put him in. I have, you know, his minutes are now in 36, so not instead of 48. So it's a smaller window, but it's more targeted. So.
If I've heard, pretty baby, that's gonna drive me crazy. I don't wanna lose your love.
Family is everything to Julius and I. It's really important that our kids feel our love and we give them traditions and things that maybe we didn't grow up with just in a two-parent household. We both grew up with single moms, which gave us everything, but we try our best to show them the love we have for each other and just carry that down to them and always make time for each other and make it special.
I hope you know the way I feel.
Randle going right at Houston and put it through. Randle working on Houston. Backing him down, step back, fade, and got the roll. Oh, nice defense. Randle. 58%. Randle for three. Bottom over to Randle. In the lane, hanging and puts it through.
I'll do anything to let you know.
I say right foot creep, walking with that heat.
Synergy that Dante has with Julius Randle and also
the rejection by McDaniel.
Stress me when I can't sleep, bang out when I see you. Play with me, you can't sleep. We gun into the seashore. You won't have no case rearrange your shit soon as they face you. You won't have no space, we in your section till we spray you. Put your mess on, coming out. Soon as they close the door, we just gon' walk down. They say we did wrong, cause we knocked him out. But he who got caught lacking, tell that that's his fault. If we draw down guns, get let off. And all them clowns, including the spouse. Kept that blick inside my drawers. Every time I walk the dog. I work for Tim and so CDs. You throw a diss and you get tossed. Say you ain't kissed that, cross my name up, ain't no talk. Get the head, bang out at the stove from my pop out window. I can see a smile, but I ain't seen this and joint this and make some beat them top. Big foul, got that on me in the stove.
Oh, it's another 4-point play opportunity for DiVincenzo.
I say right foot creep, walking with that. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with the heater. The devil under your feature, on your way to see him. Stress me when I can't sleep, bang out when I see you. Play with me, you can't sleep. We gun into the seashore. You won't have no case rearrange your shit soon as they face you. You won't have no space, we in your section till we spray. When I jump out the bag, I'ma hit it. I'ma aim with the strap at his feet. Throwing out the murder bags in the city. Can't play while I'm standing on business. Take the top off the hit me. Really quick to when we go on a mission. Take his face, I ain't showing no pity. Close can't sell them algorithms. Zombie land with a dog's percentage. Spin a van and we all be in it. Catch him first, get a raw percentage. If you want, I put a coffin in it.